What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, it is Monday, and just like every Monday, I'm here to bring you guys with Monday motivation for this week. So in this week, we're going to talk about progress. This is the subject of your Monday motivation for today, because I think I've talked about similar stuff in the past, but today I really want to focus on progress because today is November the 2nd. That means, if you don't know already, 10 months have been down, you have 2 months to go. Now it's time to push hard and really progress. So this week, I hope to encourage you guys to progress. Now, today's Monday motivation is going to be a little bit shorter than usual. I have things to do. It's time to kick on. It's time to start really pushing for my goals and what I'm trying to accomplish in the last 2 months of the year. But overall, I just do want to say, hopefully this week, this video, whatever I say in this video, it does help you to push for your goals, push for your dreams, start working closer to achieving the targets you set out in January, the targets you set out, end of December last year. And I know it's been a strange year. I've talked about this in the past. I know it's been a strange 2020. But it's no excuse, guys. It's been strange for me, it's been strange for you, it's been strange for everybody. You still need to push as hard as you can for the goals you set out. You still need to do all you can to make sure that those dreams become a reality. You began 2020 with huge hopes, really excited to enter a new year. And now you're going to throw it all away? It doesn't matter that if you didn't, if you want to start something and you didn't start in January, February, March, all the way to November, you didn't start. Now's the time to start. Now's the time to start pushing and progressing. Now, let me tell you guys this. You might not always get the goal, the target you set out. But the fact you're progressing is a lot better than you not doing anything at all. The fact you're progressing means you're further away from the start and closer to the finish. The fact you're progressing means you're ahead of where you were yesterday. That is why I've also got this channel, it's to help you guys become better each and every day. Even if it's just one person, become closer to their goals, their dreams, more control of their time, on the right path to succeeding with their goals, just becoming better daily. That's what I'm here to do. Now, that's what I'm saying. Forget about anything else that's happened in the past. Forget about what happened in the first 10 months. Your aim now, your target for this week is purely progress, guys. I want you guys to progress. This video, maybe my energy is not helping you guys get up ready for this week. Take it into your own hands. Find ways to progress. No matter what. Make it your job, make it your task, your duty this week to progress. Get ahead of where you were in October. Get ahead of where you were on November 1st. Get ahead of where you were 2 weeks ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, where you were last year. Just get ahead. Now, I can tell you from my own perspective, my own experiences. Right now, I'm not as far as I wanted to be this year, and that's down to so many different factors. I can blame external factors, I can blame myself, I can blame so many different things. But now it's time to progress, time to kick on. You got this week to kick on, and you got another 7 weeks before the year's over. You want to look back on the year and say, I didn't do this because of this and that. No, you don't. You want to look back on the end of the year and say, I gave it my best. I tried as hard as I could. That's what I'm telling you guys this week. You need to progress. That's what you need to focus on this week. From me, from Money Management, my aim is to help you guys progress. So this week I want you guys to progress. Take it into your own hands. Find ways to make things happen. There are going to be so many different situations which come up in your life, which occur, which are out of your control. What you can control is your attitude, how you react to things, what you decide to do, your next steps. You can always control that. It doesn't matter how much money you lose, how many friends you lose, how much time you waste. You still have to progress. That's what life's all about, adapting and progressing. So hopefully this video has helped you guys start taking things into your own hands this week. If you want to progress by losing a little bit more weight this week, if you want to progress by running a little bit more, getting a bit stronger, going to the gym more times than you did last week, whatever you want to do, progress this week. Save a bit more money than you did last week. Save a bit more money than you did last month. Make a little bit more money than you did last week, last month, yesterday. Start progressing. That's how you become the ultimate version of yourself, the best version of yourself. From progression, from taking steps to improving. Those small habits each and every day, those small things you do them differently, do them better. Increase your capacity to learn, completely adapt to situations. Do everything you can to become the best version of yourself. And also, speaking of progress, please make sure that we progress this channel. Help me get some progress when it comes to number of subscribers by subscribing to the channel, hitting the red button below. Also, drop a thumbs up if you did enjoy this Monday motivation. Again, it was a bit different to usual, but the aim stayed the same. The main thing I'm trying to do here stays the same as every Monday. You guys know the drill. If you did enjoy the video, please drop a comment. Just let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you plan to progress this week. The usual stuff. As always, make sure you guys also share these videos with your friends. Help them get up and ready for a new week. Help them get excited for a new week. Excited to go out and attack things. And just help other people progress this week. Also, I do want to say, I did 2 live streams. One on Friday and one on Saturday. Go check those out. Drop a comment, drop a thumbs up. It's just nice to share the love. Another thing I will say is, yesterday I made a video on how you can make an extra $500 this week. You can use that this week. You can use it next week. You can use it to progress this month. Just use that. Trust me when I say it works. I've tried it. I showed you guys examples live on screen. So again, go check that video out. Give me some feedback on it as well. But overall, thank you guys so much for watching another video of mine. I always appreciate the support. I always appreciate the love. So keep that going. Check out all those links in the description. We've got cryptocurrency, stocks, we've got free guide to online business, we've got my socials, we've got time your watches, things there that can help you progress, things there that if you go and check them out, they'll help me progress. So when you guys check those out, it's all appreciated. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. That's it for me today. Have a great week, have a blessed week, go out and make some progress. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.